Hi, I'm Liam, and me and Reno are just out for a quick walk this evening, and I just wanted to do a quick video for you guys about the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Okay, so first question, what's it like being a member of AOE? For us it's fantastic, really enjoy it. If you're looking to get into the e-commerce market and sell things on Amazon, yeah, you definitely need to check it out. For us it's been absolutely fantastic and we love it. Second question, what do we like most about it? Well, for us, how everything's broken down into modules, really easy to follow along at your own pace, and it's been really helpful. We were looking for information online for quite some time, and yeah, it's kind of a minefield, but if you get on board with AOE, all the modules are broken down really well, help you through step by step in the whole process from the ground up. So yeah, how everything's laid out and the ease of use and the wealth of knowledge are probably the things I like most. So what are your views on the content and who does AOE appeal to? Well, my views on the content are fantastic. Like I just said before, how everything's broken down and really easy to manage and digest is really helpful. And who it would appeal to, I'd say pretty much everybody. Everybody who's out there looking to make some money, start a business on Amazon. Yeah, there's a whole variety of people, all ages, all types of people on there, and really helpful, great community, and yeah, really fantastic. So why did I join AOE and what have I gotten out of it so far? So the reason we joined AOE was basically to break into the e-commerce market, try and make some money selling products online, and yeah, with the help of AOE we've been able to do that, get up and running, and yeah, really fantastic. So how did I hear about AOE? So we were looking on YouTube, trying to find videos on how to set up a business and get going on Amazon, and yeah, came across Neil's videos on YouTube and subscribed to the email list so we can keep in contact with Neil and his team, and then yeah, we signed up, became members, and never regretted it ever since. The wealth of knowledge is fantastic. It's something that you really need to do if you're serious about making money, and yeah, don't forget to download the free ebook. Really fantastic, really going to help you out, and yeah, there we go, have fun.